Yeah.
Right, real basic video. Instead of spending loads and loads of money on paint stripper, just get you one of these scrapers, thin one from Screwfix, about £1 something for a pack of 4. Get yourself a 200 watt heat gun, yeah? And you can see how thick this stuff is on here, yeah? Just warm it up and keep going down with your scraper above it, basically, that's it. The reason I use one of these is it's flexible and it gets into everywhere. And you don't tend to damage the wood. It saves a fortune on paint stripper, isn't it? Cheap. Just show you a little bit, it's just a quick video. There you go, it's quite effective. So 200 watt.
2000 watt with that
2000,
one. Yeah, 2 kilowatt.
That's me and my glasses. And a paint scraper like that, so it's ready for filling knife as well. So it makes life a lot easier because it's nice and sharp on the edge, yeah.